Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to hide or delete My AI chats on Snapchat. First of all, open up the Snapchat application and log in if you haven't already. Now from your camera screen, swipe on the right side and you will see your conversation or the chat section. Scroll through your chat and look for My AI, which is usually pinned at the top of your chat screen. Press and hold on My AI and you will see a pop-up box. Here you can tap on Chat and Notification Settings and click on Clear from Chat Feed. Soon after you do that, in this pop-up box, click on Clear again and you will then be able to delete or clear the chat from My AI. Now after you do that, the conversation with My AI has been deleted from the chat screen. If you ever want to use My AI chat, you will need to go to the search bar at the top left and type in My AI. Look for this over here and you can go ahead and type down your conversation again in order to interact with My AI. So that's how you can easily delete or hide My AI chats on Snapchat. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.